Hi everybody and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you're new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also that bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also in that same area, there is that thumbs up, and that's where you guys come in. If you enjoy the content that I make and that I make so much of it, please take a second when you arrive to hit that thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping True Ones getting noticed on this huge YouTube platform. So I'm thanking you all in advance for subscribing, making sure to hit that bell, and not forgetting to thumbs up. All right, guys, this is always my favorite time to be able to share the official IPSY and BoxyCharm spoilers, as well as some sneak peeks on some of the products, and then the reveal, the official reveal of the bag. If you're like me and you follow a few others on Instagram, we have already seen kind of a sneak peek of the bag, but I always wait to get the information directly from IPSY because then I get more information about the design of the bag. And I'm always interested in more information, and that's what this channel is all about. If you're interested just in seeing the pictures of the products, then make sure to follow me on Instagram, and it's True Wants with the number 2. So what they have written about May, they're saying May's GlamBag design reveal is finally here. It's blooming with potential. So let's take a picture of that gorgeous bag, and this is it here. Is that not spring? It says, as the sun starts to shine a little brighter and the flowers begin to bloom, there's no denying that spring has officially arrived. With a new season comes a fresh opportunity to update your beauty style and embrace the energy of changing weather. So get outside, feel the sun on your skin, but don't forget your SPF, and add some bright, colorful looks into your style, allowing yourself to bloom into your full potential. Now, about the expert who designs this bag, her name is Joanne Wong, and she is an LA-based senior designer in fashion as well as accessories. And she's the one that always designs our bags for us. So what she has written about this, she says she was inspired by the eye-catching colors from fashion trends of 2023. She said the spring-summer season reference to tangerine oranges, magenta pinks, and chartreuse yellows that were all over the runways. She wanted to use a colorful and eye-popping pattern on May's GlamBag to bring a refreshing energy and also to celebrate, of course, Mother's Day. It says the playful abstract of oversized floral pattern printed on a faux leather did just that. The green and the orange will represent the nature of mother and the sun that radiates joy, while the magenta and the pink will remind us of the beautiful blooming flowers. Plus, the bright pink acrylic zipper and the IPSY zipper pull are all true standouts as well. Look how cute the zipper pull is. I just noticed it. And then she says, our favorite part, just like you, your May GlamBag design is totally unique. Each GlamBag has a slightly different pattern, and the colors on the bag from an all-over print pattern. So the print won't repeat the same pattern on each bag. And then they tell us to use your May GlamBag as a daily makeup bag to house your toiletries for a weekend getaway. You could use it as a festive clutch for a daytime event, or even as a gift bag. And of course, you can always use it to add something for Mother's Day. All right, so now that's all the information in reference to the bag. Now let's get into first the spoilers for the May GlamBag. So let's go to my next one here, and here we go. So what they have written here, starting with, spring has sprung and now it is time to illuminate your look. This may give your skin a sun-kissed glow and treat it to hydration. The May GlamBag product spoilers are here to get us summer ready in a moment's notice. So let's look what some of the items that can be potentially in our bags. Starting with First Aid Beauty. This is the Eye Duty Niacinamide Eye Cream. You know you're not getting any real sleep these days. Luckily, this eye cream can help you fake your recommended 8 hours by brightening up those dark circles with this eye cream that instantly color corrects thanks to its peach micro pearls. I have not tried this yet, and I've heard phenomenal reviews on this. Now we're going to go through some of the pictures. Now just keep in mind, when they set this up, they have it mixed with other pictures in here that we know that we received this month, because this I definitely got in my bag and I'm really enjoying it. So if you see this in future add-ons, if you didn't get it, it is one that I would highly recommend. This picture here is the next one, is a sneak peek. This is the Ciate London Velvet Skin Cream Blush, and it is in Fancy. It says, give your cheeks a hydrating flush of color with this cream blush that is packed with hyaluronic acid and brightening vitamin C. 2 to 3 small dots will do the trick, but you can apply more if you want that extra flush look. The next one here, that we know we saw it in our bags. And then here we have, this one is going to be for next month, is a sneak peek. And this is one that I've received in another bag, and it is really beautiful. This is the Kismet Polished Lip Plumping Gloss. This one in particular is in the shade called Love Struck. And it says, plump the lips with a softer lip. Lines are only one simple swipe away with this glossy gloss. It's formulated with jojoba oil and vitamin E. Your lips will feel moisturized while showing off this gloss in a light pink tone, and it has gold shimmer that will give you that gorgeous glow. The next picture that we will see here is one also from this month, and this I got in my bag, and it is absolutely fantastic. Again, another mascara that I really was blown away by. It gave me so much length. Now here is the sneak peek for this one. This one is this Jasmine Beauty. It is an illuminating highlighter in Jazzy. It says green tea, white tea, and safflower seed oil come together in this illuminating highlighter, allowing you to create a customizable sun-kissed glow while preventing your skin calming effects. Your face will thank you. The next picture that they have in this area here, we know is from this month. And then we have this picture here, which is going to be another sneak peek for next month. And this is from this brand called Truff Love. It is an argan style cream. It says humidity and frizz don't stand a chance against the product that will invigorate your strands with this styling cream that will smooth, condition, and seal in moisture. The star of this product is its black truffle extract, which is full of vitamins and omegas that promote healthy hair growth. Then the next picture we have here is one that was from this month, and now this is the one that is a sneak peek. And this is from Kors, and this is their Santorini Grape Velvet Skin Drink. Bid farewell to dull, dry skin. This lightweight serum is like giving your skin a huge gulp of hydration. Santorini Grape swoop in to help blur imperfections, smooth texture, and nourish your skin. I really enjoyed the Kors line, and their Santorini line in particular is a really good one as well. Then we have this picture here, which is from this month, but they're showing us on the top here that there should have been a picture for the Beauty and IQ Beauty for the Great Lengths Mascara. And the reason I know that is I have a picture here of all the items that we just discussed. However, the one that we didn't have more information on based on IPSY is that one that is that mascara. So there's your First Aid Beauty, your Kors, your Ciate London, the Jasmine Beauty, as well as Kismet. So if you're familiar with any of these products, make sure to share them in the comments down below. And now let's go on to our BoxyCharm, which as we knew it as the GlamBag Plus. This is the May 2023 BoxyCharm by IPSY official spoilers. And this one says, may the skin gods be with you. Warm weather has arrived, which means day parties, picnics, beach days, and everything else we can enjoy under the sun have finally arrived. It's no secret that the sun and her rays are forced to be reckoned with, especially if you use the right skincare and SPF are missing from your routine. But luckily you have us, your beauty fairy godparents, and May's BoxyCharm by IPSY spoilers to deliver everything you will need to bask in those rays. So starting with the first item here, this one is from Glow Recipe. This is the Plum Plump Hyaluronic Cream. Phenomenal product. This is a yummy hyaluronic acid cream that doesn't just smell like a juicy plum. It's actually infused with plum, as well as 5 molecular weights of hyaluronic acid. These ingredients are combined with vegan, collagen, as well as vegan silk proteins to fill each skin layer with hydration, helping you achieve plumper skin that's brighter and more even toned. Yes, hyaluronic acid can provide brightening benefits too. The next picture here is one from this month that they have in here, and a few of you were lucky enough to get it and try it. And then we have here from this one here, and this one is from Iconic London. This is the Beachside Babe eyeshadow palette. It says, take your warm weather glam to the next level with this tropical inspired palette featuring 12 high pigmented warm tone shades in velvety matte and buttery shimmer finishes. Your summer looks are bound to turn heads. The next one that we have here is one that a lot of us had the opportunity to get, and I had the opportunity not only to get it, to try it on and share it with you. So if you missed that video of when I received PR from IPSY at the beginning of the month, I'm still waiting for my paid versions for majority of my bags. I will leave that video down below because I did a long video and I tried on all the products. I gave you beauty tips, beauty reviews, as well as some of my add-ons that I got in the previous month that I didn't have the opportunity to try until that day. So my full face, I'm sharing you an in-person, not only my reviews, I'm showing you swatches and everything. So if you haven't seen that video, I want to make sure that you don't miss out and you check it out. I'll leave it in the description box down below. Now this product here, they're saying this is from Voss, and this is the Whispering Rose 4-colored blush palette. It says, if you're ready to rock a rosy glow all summer long, this is a multicolored palette that packs a punch with 4 stunning shades that will deliver the perfect natural looking flush. It's made with nourishing ingredients like vitamin E as well as jojoba oil, and these blushes work well with all skin types. They're even suggesting that you can, even if you have sensitive skin, it will not be a problem. Plus, there is a shade for every skin tone, making it a must-have for your kit. The next picture is from this month because this I had the opportunity to get in the PR box, which I tried on and share it with you. This is the next one that is for next month. It says Pure Big Look Mascara with Argan Oil. It says, say hello to the ultimate boost for your lashes in a bottle. It is formulated with argan oil. This mascara will deliver a clump-free volume as well as length while nourishing your lashes. The clump-resistant wand will allow you to coat every lash in every corner with a final dewy sheen. I have never heard of a mascara doing that. The next one here is from this month. I know a few people had the opportunity to get it, and that looked like a phenomenal product. But this is the one that I'm really excited about. This is from Lys Beauty. This is one of their newer launches. This is the Love Yourself eyeshadow palette, and this one is in what they're calling unapologetic. It says, let yourself really bloom with the 6-shade illuminating eyeshadow palette. Each color is bold and unapologetic, like its name. It has a buttery, long-lasting formula that's easy to blend for seamless color to the lid with a mix of mattes and shimmer shades in warm tones. It has Add Me to Your Summer Look written all over it. So as we can see here, there are 3 mattes as well as 3 shimmers. And one of my favorite bronzers is from Lys. I used it for the longest time in the powder formula. Now in this month, we got to try the cream formula, which I then set it with the powder from them as well in my bronzer. So I cannot wait to take the time to try their eyeshadows. So keeping my fingers crossed, this will be in one of my paid for version boxes. This was from this month. I did not get this, but a few other people did. And this is the next one here that I am ecstatic about. This is from Dominic Cosmetics. This is also one of her newer launches. This is her Smooth and Blur Setting Powder in Translucent. It says, kiss unwanted shine goodbye this summer with this must-have setting powder. The formula is designed to smooth and blur your skin, giving you a flawless finish for those hot summer days. The translucent shade on all skins will be seamless, and it will set your makeup in place for all day wear. So those are all the official sneak peeks. We already had the opportunity early this month to share. Oh, I wanted to share this also with you. We had an opportunity early this month to make sure to share some unofficial spoilers, and it looks like we had some that were definitely spot on with the official, so that's really exciting. So I'm probably going to continue, if I have access to it, the unofficial spoilers as well, so we can kind of get a hint early on. And a lot of you have shared with me in the comments that you are fine with that as long as I continue to do the official ones, so I wanted to make sure about that as well. I also got a sneak peek here. This I found early on IPSY stories, which only last 24 hours. So I have to get lucky when I go in and be able to share with you. But this is what they are suggesting is going to be the boost product. That is for the $15 if you get the Beauty Boost. I know for a lot of you, you are still on waitlist, but make sure to be part of it because I got in on this early on with the first boost and I have been loving it ever since. But when my boxes, my paid for versions, transferred over from BoxyCharm because I had premium, I was able to get into the second boost as well. And what we learned this time when we were doing our add-ons, when we were doing our choices, you will still have a selection within the boost. This is the boost that they are promising will be in that selection. And then you will also have the opportunity on that line that if this is something you do not want, you simply untick it and then some other options come up. Just like your other choices have more than one choice, we now have more than one choice in our boost as well. So I wanted to make sure to share that with you. But what I also wanted to share is I took another picture here to show you this cream on its own is a $51 value. And I really enjoy Ole Henriksen. Ole Henriksen also has the edit out, which I did that video on. So if you haven't seen that, I will leave that in the description box down below because I did purchase that for myself as well. And to end this, I want to make sure that everyone knows Choice Day for the GlamBag, where we get to still choose one item in our GlamBag, will be on April the 24th. So make sure to mark your calendar, but you'll know that I will be filming that day where I not only share the choices, I also go through all the add-ons in a detail that if I've had the opportunity to play with the products and have any kind of way that I can share you mini reviews, that's how we go through the add-on section here at True Wants. All right, so once again, the Glam Day Choice Day is going to be April 24th, and that's it for our first set of official spoilers. After we do our add-ons and our choices on the 24th, later in the week after that, after the 24th, we will get the official spoilers for the BoxyCharm choices, and I will share those on my channel as well. So make sure that you are subscribed, your bell is on, and don't forget to give this a thumbs up if you enjoy this type of videos. All right, take care, everybody. Everyone continue to stay safe and well, and I'll see you all soon again in my next video. Bye for now.